In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own t-shirt on Roblox and wear it on your avatar. So head over to the Roblox application and at the bottom menu, click on More. Scroll up and click on Create in order to open the Creator Hub. Click on the menu icon at the top left corner and click on Creations. Scroll to Avatar Items and then scroll to Classics. On the filter option, click on the drop down and click on T-shirt where we are currently. So we are going to upload an asset. Click on Upload. Let's name our t-shirt. You can also add a description for your t-shirt. Click on Upload and add the image you would like to create your t-shirt. When you're done, click on Upload. So our t-shirt has been created and we can find it down here. This is our t-shirt right here with the name we created. So when you're done creating your t-shirt, you can close the Creator Hub right here. And then head over to your avatar section by clicking on the bottom menu at the center right here. And then make sure you click on Customize. Click on Clothing. And then scroll this and find Classic T-shirts. So you are going to find your t-shirts right here. You just need to click on the t-shirt you want to wear and it's going to be applied to your avatar. So as you can see, this is the t-shirt we just created and we've created it and worn it on our avatar. So this is how easy it is to create your own t-shirts and wear them on Roblox.